Good evening, this is Jason Scott with an update of your national and international weather. And let's start out to the west. Currently, as the vigorous eastbound storm heads to the central and southern plains, snow and rain showers and a few thunder showers will target the Four Corners states. Southwest snow levels will range from 4,000 to 6,000 feet. Additional snowfall in the Four Corners will be around 6 inches. Gusty winds will be on the increase over the New Mexico and West Texas. Showers and mountain snows will extend from Washington State, northwest Oregon, to northwest Montana as a new storm sweeps into the western part of Canada. Rain and snow amounts will be quite light across the northwest. Lows will range between the single digits in the 20s across most of the interior west, between the 30s and the low 50s near the coast and Mexico border, with temperatures from near average to 20 degrees below average. Highs will range between the 20s and 40s across the northwest and 50s and 60s in the lower elevations of California and the desert southwest. Moving to the south, Monday will be dry east of the Mississippi River thanks to area of high pressure. Between the high pressure and the offshore storm, a persistent northeast wind will target beaches from the Outer Banks of Florida. A few showers are possible also on the Outer Banks of East Florida. Rough surf and boating conditions will continue along the Atlantic coast. Meanwhile, a potent cold front will emerge from out of the southwest, sparking a few thunderstorms over the southern plains. Large hail, tornadoes, and damaging winds will be accompanying the thunderstorms over Oklahoma and Texas. Rainfall could be 1 inch in central and eastern Oklahoma. Lows will range from the 30s and 40s in the southeast and Texas and Oklahoma panhandles to the 60s in central and east Texas and the low 70s in southern Florida, with temperatures below average in Oklahoma and northwest Texas panhandle, but average to above average elsewhere. Highs will range from the 50s in the Oklahoma panhandle to the 60s in North Carolina and 70s and 80s over southern Texas and Florida. Thunderstorms will track from the southern plains into the lower Mississippi Valley on Tuesday. In the Midwest, a storm shapes up in the middle part of the country, and rain will be on the increase in the central plains into the southern Michigan and northern Ohio Valley. Rain will change over to heavy snow in the northwest part of Kansas and western Nebraska. Rainfall will top 1 inch in parts of Kansas and Missouri. Dry weather is expected to be in the Dakotas and upper Michigan and northern lower Michigan. Lows will range from the 20s across the northern plains to the 40s and 50s from the eastern part of Kansas and Missouri into the lower Michigan and Ohio Valley, with temperatures below average in the high plains but average to 10 degrees above average elsewhere. Highs will range from the upper 30s to 40s and highs in the high plains and the 60s and 70s in the Ohio Valley. Rain will fall from the central plains and mid-Mississippi Valley to the Great Lakes Tuesday, with a changeover to snow continuing across the western and northern Kansas, Nebraska, northern Iowa, southeast Minnesota, and central Wisconsin. Taking a look at the northeast, Monday will be dry thanks to area of high pressure. Patchy morning fog is possible in parts of the mid-Atlantic. Temperatures will vary to near average to 8 degrees above average. Lows will range from about the teens and 20s over the northern part of New York and northern New England to 30s across Virginia and near 50 degrees near Norfolk. Lows will be in the 40s along the lakeshore of the lakes and along the coast of Boston. Highs will range from the 50s to near 60 degrees across New York, New England, and the 60s near Virginia. Tuesday will be dry as well, except 1 or 2 showers near the Great Lakes. That's your latest on your national and regional forecasts on Extreme Storm Central.